Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some PR packages and show you how I get PR packages as a creator under 2K on YouTube and 20K on TikTok. So let's get started. Here's a little sneak peek of what we'll be unboxing today. We have this 10 ball. I'm so excited. I wonder what could be in here. Literally, this is so gorge. I love these. I actually have one that I got a few months ago, but I think these are all different ones from the ones I have. Some are more clear and some are more pigmented, so I'm so excited to try these out in another video. But thank you so much. I think I am on their PR list because I've gotten a few packages from them, and this is so cute. I could use this to store all my lipsticks. Adorbs. She thinks my skirt is a blanket. Having a Velcro dog is not for the weak. Oh my god, do y'all see this? Are you comfy? She's just gonna be here while I film. So I definitely think I am on their PR list because this one is also from the same brand. We're gonna open her up with my small little box cutter. Oh my god! Guys, hold on. See, I haven't opened these, by the way. Okay. You're lying. Since when do they have so many lippies? This is so cute. This little mailer. It's Peptide Plumping Lip Perfector. Slay. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. One thing about me is I have to have a lippy in all my purses. So yes, these are gonna go. Oh my god. These are so cute. Love. This is shade 1. This is shade, oh, just kidding. This is shade 6. And this is shade 7. And then we have these bad boys and the shade. This is 4. It's like this deep plum. Oh, gorge. Look at that. It's like this deep plum color. It's gonna be really pretty. This is shade 4. I have this kind of pinky glossy color. This is shade 1. This one's more pigmented and I'm so excited. This is shade 13. And this one kind of is giving a bubblegum pink to me. It's shade 3. Next, we have a Good Molecules package. I love them. I was such a diehard fan in college, and I remember they were one of the first brands to send me a package when I think I had maybe 2,000 followers. So love them. They're definitely an OG. This is where we're at. Ooh, it says the season of smooth skin. We love her. This is a Sakura Hyaluronic Boosting Essence, formulated with 3 kinds of hyaluronic acid. Oh my god, how do they know I was feeling dehydrated? It is so cute. The flowers, I gotta say, the packaging is going crazy. It's glass and has flowers all over it. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use her. A little package from France. This brand, love. They have sent me some amazing packages in the past. Like around Christmas, I think they sent me one of their advent calendars. It was amazing and so fun to open up things. I think I didn't have any self-control. I had to open all of it in one day, but their hand creams are my favorite. I have one in every single one of my bag. I have them on my desk at work, in my car. They have me spoiled. My hands, you'll never catch me slipping. They will always be moisturized. Open her up. Ladies first. Okay, let's see what they sent me. You're lying. Tell me what. I literally had this in my shopping cart. We're in sync. I forget. I'm opening it to y'all for the first time. I haven't seen this. It's shimmery, sun-kissed and luminous. No sun required. It's a shimmering oil. We're gonna look good this summer, guys. I fear we're gonna have to test this right now. Oh my god, how did they know I had this in my cart? We're gonna have, just a little bit. I don't wanna waste it. Okay, we got it there. Okay, shimmer. Yeah, this will be on my legs from now until forever. Thank you. I think that just made my whole day. The fact that I had that in my cart, and they sent that to me. This is from Dr. Dennis. Is it focusing? I'll add a clip. But this is the Dr. Dennis self tanner for face. Okay, so my face and my like body, sometimes they don't match. I can't really tell if they're matching right now, but because I tan my body, but I don't tan my face because, you know, that's, I don't think people do that. I don't know. I don't do that, but this will help me get even. So I'm so excited. I actually got this from the app Skeepers. It was like previously known as Octoly. OGs know, if you know, you know. But if you are a creator, I don't know what the minimum requirement of followers is. I think it used to be 1,000, so don't quote me on that. I will add it in the description what it actually is. Do my research a little bit. But you can get gifted collabs on there. So products exchange for a video, or it's not always a video. Sometimes it's not always a TikTok. Sometimes it's a text review or an Instagram review. It just varies, and they have a lot of cool brands. I mean, like this is a big brand. They have a whole bunch of brands from Sephora. I've seen perfume, I've seen clothes. Definitely check them out. I will put it right here. It's called Skeepers, and I definitely recommend. I have been using them again since I had about 1,000, 2,000 followers, and you can connect your Insta, your TikTok, your YouTube. They have several different ways you can qualify, so sky's the limit. Lastly, we have Fresh Wave, and I know this is my collab. This collab I got on this website called Aspire IQ, Aspire Creator. I will put it right here, and it will also be in the description. But this one is a paid collab, and it's actually a paid YouTube short collab. So 4 odor, what is this? 4 odor removing gels, and basically I make a YouTube short. It's not even, this isn't even sponsored on here, but I'm gonna make a YouTube short about it maybe later, and they pay me a certain rate. I found them through Aspire IQ. It's kind of like the app Skeepers in a way, but this is on a website, and you basically make your profile, you enter all your information, and you can get paid collabs, gifted collabs, both affiliate collabs. They have every single option, and there are over 100 brands on there. You put in your location and it does local collabs. So I've gotten a lot of local restaurant collabs with that. I've gotten a lot of local event collabs with that. Definitely, this is where I get most of my paid collabs, and you can set your rate. It's basically a middleman for you to talk to the brand. Sometimes the brands will reach out to you and not even use it, but it's so good. I really recommend this one, and their budgets are really big. So if you're not on it, go ahead. And again, I don't think follower count matters. If it does, they will put it there, but a lot of time it doesn't matter. What's cool is it also tells you what they think your rate could or should be, the website. However, you don't have to use it because I don't use it, but it's gonna be some really cool collabs. I get product, they are paying me a set rate to make a YouTube short. They tell me the criteria. It's great, and they explain all the content rights and everything there, so you get to choose what you do. I really recommend it. Okay, well that concludes the PR haul side of it. Now I'm gonna get into more ways how I have gotten PR and collabs. So this brand, Clarins, they actually reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to be on their PR list. I said yes, but Molecules, a long time ago, again, when I had about 2,000, maybe 1,000, maybe 3,000 followers, I reached out to them. I pitched myself. If y'all want an example of how I pitched myself, let me know. I can make a whole different video about that. But I pitched myself really well. I linked to different videos that I made about other beauty products. I wanted to show them my style a little bit, and they liked it. So they did agree to put me on the PR list or send me a gifted collaboration, vice versa. And that was really cool. So I definitely recommend reaching out to brands via DM. Also, a lot of times brands, if they don't answer via DM, you can find their PR email relatively easy. All you do is go to the website, scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says press or collaborate or work with us. It says something along those lines, and I will show an example right here. That's gonna be the PR email. Or another hack I learned is you can literally Google sometimes, like, what is Good Molecules PR email? I'm just using an example, I don't know. don't quote me on that. But I have done this before just to double check, and it's legit. It'll sometimes pop up. So definitely shoot your shot. Never be the one to tell yourself no, okay? Just try, see what happens. Before I forget, remember how I told you 2 of these brands reached out to me via DM? Well, the reason why it was so easy for them to reach out to me, 1, I have a public creator account, and 2, I always have my email in my bio just in case some reason they don't want to DM me or it doesn't work, I don't know. They can just email me, and if we do work it out via DM, they will already tell me, hey, I emailed you, because they had the email. Another way to get collabs, even though it's not on here, TikTok Shop's really good. They give out a whole bunch of samples. If you are into fashion, houseware, anything that could be linked, and you don't know where to start with affiliate links, I would definitely start with LTK. Again, not here, but you can earn money through LTK. You can also do collabs on LTK. You can get samples, like lots of things on LTK. I would definitely start linking all your stuff. If someone's asking you, where'd you get your outfit? You can tell them where you got your outfit first, right? And then you can say, yeah, I have it linked on my LTK, if you want to make it a little easier for yourself. It just keeps everything so organized, and I love it because almost every brand's on there. And I even forget where I get my clothes sometimes because I cut a lot of my tags out. And I'm like, where did I get this? So I'll go on my LTK and see where I got it when I remembered. And it's great for YouTube videos because you can just link where you got everything, because you know they're gonna be in the comments asking, where'd you get this, where'd you get that? Same with TikTok. So it's really convenient. I know another good one is Shopmy. I'm not too familiar with Shopmy. I do know it's a lot like LTK, but I have not played with it enough to give advice on it. It is another app where you can link things. But if I think of any more ways, I will definitely let y'all know. There is no gatekeeping here, as y'all know this. But as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. But if you made it this far, I love you. I hope you had a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.